and good day. My name is Teddy, and this is a Villain Production. Presents, this is Ashwini. Now let me introduce a good friend of mine, Wet Gal KK. Hi Teddy. Thank you for having me on your show. Wet Gal KK, now come into the camera frame and let your auntie see how hot and sweet this woman is. Hi Trinidad and Tobago, hi, good evening, good day, it's a pleasure to be here. KK, do look at me. I know I'm hot and sweet too, but you have to look at the camera there for the audience to see, and you greet the people of Trinidad and Tobago. Okay, Teddy. Auntie, I can't believe I here. I can't believe I here, Slugla. I'd like to tell you thank you very much for bringing me on your program. It's a long time I want to meet Teddy. Me? Auntie, tell this young lady for me now. When girl KK, you wouldn't want to go on a date with me, you know? Teddy, why I wouldn't want to go on a date with you, Teddy? Tell me why. But girl KK, you know my boss man, the director? Teddy, you feel I am stupid girl? I must know who's the director. Slugla is one who bring me on the program here today, and I is one of the first guests. I must know who's your boss, Teddy. You feel I stupid, huh? But girl KK, I'm calling you stupid now. I just trying to tell you, Slugla is paying me small money. You wanna go on a date with me, girl? Who tell you I won't go on a date if you have small money? Who? Tell me who that person is? No. It's Barry. It's Barry, eh? Oh my God, from over the hill. Then who tell you that, eh? Wet girl, hey, take it down. Nobody ain't tell me nothing about you, girl. I say something and it will offend you. No. I know the girl and them like to look nice. I know the body head done. I know the new shoes. I know the new bags. I know make sure they look like hotty. You use wet girl, kid. Teddy, fuck you. You calling me a gold digger? Eh? You stinking Moroccan. Fuck you, Teddy. You old dog. You stinking rat. All that nastiness. I don't like them chilly man. Eh? I got gold digger. You stinking dirty Moroccan. And Teddy, for all your boss man Slugla, he could directly Moroccan to either what I want when he giving me to come up on no show for nobody to embarrass me in front of TNT. Here I telling you, I going from fucking here, boy. TNT, will you see that? Now that is a Trini. Yes, TNT, the first episode. Well, God, if she could have taken my rent money. I've never known no Slugla paying small money. Oh God, boy. I need help. Slugla? That fucking man cheap. He broke into I work here for you.